Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting project where we machined using 6061 aluminum. This order of parts is destined for our nuclear energy client. Using Mastercam software, we programmed the machining process. For the facing and contour operations, we used a 3/8 inch end mill. This ensures a smooth and accurate finish on the surface and edges. For the pocket, we use a 1/4 inch end mill, allowing us to achieve the required depth and detail. The customer requested a corner radius, and for that, we used a 3D equal scallop operation with a 5/32 ball nose end mill. This gives the part the corner radius needed to meet our customer's specifications. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.